In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If your downloads are saving to the wrong folder or you want everything organized in a better place, this quick tutorial will help you set a new default download location in Firefox so every file goes exactly where you want it. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main Firefox menu where you can access settings and other browser options. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can adjust all kinds of browser preferences. Now on the left side or within the settings page, find the Downloads section. Click Downloads and you'll see the option that says Save Files To. This is the setting that controls where Firefox sends your downloaded files by default. To change it, click Browse. A folder window will appear, letting you choose a new location on your computer. Select the folder you want Firefox to use for downloads. You can choose something like your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents, or any custom folder you prefer for better organization. After selecting the folder, click Select Folder. As soon as you do that, Firefox will immediately start using this new folder as the default download location. That means every new file you download from now on will automatically be saved there unless you choose a different location manually. This is a great way to stay organized, especially if you download a lot of files for work, school, or personal use. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Firefox. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your files. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.